Umuthi mabura ma kuhinyiriria muingi bata wa kuheana thakame matabanĩirio kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI ikihinyiriria muingi kuhimbiria uheani wayo niguo guthara mioyo iria ikuaga kumana na wagi wa thakame. Thirikari kuhitukira Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI nirikitie guthondeka thebũ cia kuiga thakame thiini wa kaunti ciothe 47 niguo gutigirira thakame iria iraheanwo ni yaiguo na ikiro iria ciagiriire.
Capacity was built during COVID. Many institutions got to connect and have oxygen plants.
Kuringana na Minista wa UGIMA wa MWIRI NAKHUMICHA, uheani wa thakame mwaka uyu urugamire unit 348 ukiringithanio na mwaka muhituku kuria unit 130 ari cio ciaheanirwo.
Those who can, please get out and donate blood. You never know when that blood will be needed by a patient.
Ministry oho niruguritie thebũ ya thakame thiini wa thibitari wa Murang'a level 5. Gavana wa kaunti ino Irungu Kang'ata akiranira guthie na mbere na kwambatiria ikiro cia uheani wa motungata mogima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino.
They are also doing oxygen plants in different facilities. We may not have shortage as such. There is availability, so it is up to counties to ensure then from the plants there's connectivity to the bedside so that it's available for the patients.
Oige thakame kuma January nginya December. Koguo thina ucio munene urarihwo turagira thakame Nyeri, tukamigira Embu, tugathi kumigira Kenyatta. Ucio ni uguthira.
Kuringana na gavana kaunti ino riu iri na mweke wa gutangikira arwaru aria mabataraga thakame ihinda-ini riria riagiriire mugaru na hau kabere kuria marahoyaga uteithio wayo kuma kaunti-ini ingi. Undu uyu akiuga uracungagiririo ni wagi wa macini cia kumiiga.
Give us that equipment multi-million from 1st of March this year, and that system is now operational. That then means Murang'a blood is no longer being processed in Embu or Nairobi. We can now serve Kirinyaga, Nyeri and adjoining counties including Kiambu.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.